Hello Connexit family, welcome to Connexit training videos. Today in this video I'll be showcasing an use case. So that use case goes like this. So I'll be generating a lead from Studio Card. So I'm gonna use most of AppSumo apps. So I'll be generating a lead from Studio Card. That is whenever there is a new sale happen inside Studio Card, I'm going to take that as my initial trigger, and then I will segment the lead using conditions. So that is an inbuilt app inside Connexit, so where you can actually segment based on the conditions. So you can actually route to different entities. So you can segment, basically you can divide or you can compare all this. You can do it using conditions app, which is an inbuilt app inside Connexit. And then I will store the records inside Google Sheet, and also I will nurture the lead using NextView, which is an personalization tool. So where I will try to personalize according to our customer needs. So I just personalize the record and send a notification using Gmail. Or you can even send WhatsApp messages too. So let's get started by creating this use case. So I'll be selecting the trigger as Studio Cart. As you all know, Studio Cart is an webhook enabled app. So just drag and drop Studio Cart inside Connexit and copy the webhook URL. So just go to your Studio Cart products page and edit your product. And place your webhook URL inside product settings. So I just placed the webhook URL, and also you can see that I just selected the triggers as product purchased, product refunded. So whenever there is a new refund happens, so I'm going to take that as also an like condition. So now I will click on update. So before making any purchase or anything, I'll just go to Connexit and click on capture webhook response. So this will actually enable capturing data from other app to Connexit. So now let's go to Studio Cart again. I'll click on orders, and what I'm trying to do is I'm just going to make a refund. So for this particular order, so I'll just select that and make the order as refunded and click on up publish. So this will going to send a data to Connexit, and we already enabled Connexit to receive the data. So yes, our order is received successfully, so you can see that. So now, and with the order status as refunded, so I'm going to use this as condition and do filter the data, basically segment the data. So now I will use the conditions app and connect the condition, that is order status, to the condition tab, and then click on conditions, choose the field order status, and choose what I do is whenever there is my order status is equal to refunded, so I'm gonna push all this data to one particular sheet. So let's do that. So click on validate. So this will going to basically validate the records inside this condition. So now you have all the details from this app. So now you can connect all the records from over here. So now what I do is I will use NextView, which is an personalization tool where it will be used for personalizing the records. So I'm going to use that as my action and choose the event as create image experience with template and choose the template. So I'm going to choose, I just created a template called refund demo. So I'll be clicking on that particular template. It asks for username and a coupon code. So I'll just use the username as my name. So I just connect that, and coupon code you using Connexit, and you can generate the coupon code, or you can actually give the order ID as coupon code. So that is your wish. So I'll click on test and review. So this will give me a link of the image, particular image. So this is my customized image. So now we will store this record inside Google Sheet. So I'll go to Google Sheet, just drag and drop Google Sheet and choose the account and choose this trigger as create spreadsheet true and choose the sheet. So I'll be choosing demo sheets and choose particular sheet. So here will be choosing the refunded sheet, so where I will be pushing all the records which is being refunded inside of one of the particular sheet. So I'll connect name field to the name and email field to the email field. If we have phone number, so I'll just select phone number. Coupon code, if it is there, so we can generate the coupon code and the link which we generated from our NextView hyper personalization tool, and if there's having any other details. So this will going to add a record inside my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. So and this is the refunded tab. So this is the record which is been added right now with the coupon code, and we have an image link, so you can check that image. So what is the type of image? So you just see that. So it is so artful that to see you go Rakesh. So it is personalized with my name, and also it is giving a discount code as well. So this is the template which I created using NextView. So this is a refunded template. So this is the entire template where this username and the coupon code is being generated inside, and it is been giving a personalized response to our users. So now we will be sending this via email or WhatsApp. So what I do is I'm going to use text formatter to create my email body template. So I'll be you doing an HTML template basically, because I'm using all these names. So just I will select as merge data and connect all the information. So let me go here. So I'll be using this particular HTML. So where I'll be saying, hey, welcome to Connexit. It's as it's a refund, so I'll just say that it's so helpful to see you going. So please find discount coupon code for your next purchase. So with the image link, so now I need to connect the name. So I'll be connecting the name to the name field, and I need the image, so which we generated from NextView, and also the coupon code. So I just use all these three. So now you just need to type @ and you will be getting the details. So I just selected the name, and also I use the image link, and also if you have a coupon code, so you can actually use the coupon code. So I just use over here @ and you can just select the coupon code there and click on validate. So basically this will going to validate the record. So now I'll be sending an email. So I'll just choose Gmail app to send email. You can even WhatsApp, choose WhatsApp 360-degree and WhatsApp to your particular account, and even you can send Telegram messages too. So I'll just select Gmail, select the account as send email, trigger as send email, and choose the content type as HTML, because I actually use an HTML content here. So you have to make sure that you're choosing the configuration as HTML. And now I will choose send to a body, and also I need an email. So I will just connect the email field and the subject. So I just say that it's so artful to see you go. So I just say some template and click on test and review. So this will basically send an email using all these records. So let us see that email. So we just received an email. So you can see that it will be with our custom subject line, and also it actually giving a customized response by choosing my name. And you can see that, so it will say welcome to Connexit. It's so helpful to see you go, so please find the discount code, and it has given me the discount code and also the image, so which you are generated from next week. So now let's do the same thing for any of our purchase. So what I do is, so I'll be repeating the same step, so let's do that. So I'll select and condition app again. So this is for the condition when there is an actual purchase happens. So I'll be taking the same order status. So as I know order status, whenever there is an pending payment, so it will make it as pending. So I'll just select as, so is exist, if exists, that is maybe like pending. So I'll just select that and click on OK and click on validate. So this will basically validate my records. So I have to repeat the same step again. So now based on earlier step, so what I do is I'm going to take Google Sheet again. So I'll be choosing Google Sheet. So before that we will generate an personalized response from NextWave so that we can actually see the record. So I just select NextWave. So I just choose my account, choose the trigger as create image experience with the template, choose template. Now I'll be choosing whenever there is a sale happen, that is e-com sale. So it asks for username and the course name. So what I do is I will be doing course name as the product name. So I select the course name as product name and the username as my name. So this will actually generate an image link basically. So what I do is I will use that image link in the additional attribute. So I'll just select that. So now I will use Google Sheet. So I just choose Google Sheet here. So and choose my account, choose the trigger as create spreadsheet row, choose the spreadsheet. So this time I'm gonna choose Connexit demo and choose the sheet. So I'll be choosing as ecom demo, so where I'll be storing all my records. So name I connect from the name field and email, so I'll just select the email field. The phone number, I'll just select the phone number. So this time I don't have a coupon code, so probably I have the link, so I will be doing the link and also other. So I just use the product name. So and it on test and review. So this will going to add a record inside my Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet and this is the sheet. So you can see that the name and the phone number and the email ID, sorry, the image link which we generated from NextWave and the like product name. So let's click on image. So this will be this different image. So you can see that. So for a purchase we will be getting a different image, and for refund we will be getting a different image. So you can see that. So hey Rakesh VM, welcome to Connexit demo, thanks for purchasing our course. So this is what you can actually you can do a lot of customizations. So and this is where you can actually nurture your lead using your personalization. So now let's complete our step. So I'll be using text formatter again, merge text. So this time, so I need an image link and the customer name. So I just need only two of it. So what I do is I'll just select the customer name and the image link. So and click on validate. So again I just repeating the old steps, so for different segments. So now I go to Gmail to send an email. So I choose Gmail account So now I choose the trigger as send email. So I'll choose the content type, so make sure you choose the right content type. So I'm just selecting as HTML and connect the email field. I just say thanks for choosing Connexit. So I will hit on test and review. So this will basically send me an new email with the same as I told, with the personalized response created by NextView. So let's go to our email and let's check for the mail. So you can see that, so it actually given me a different subject line, that is, it is saying thanks for choosing Connexit, and with the personalized my name, and also the new personalized image, it also contains my name and the course name as well. So now let's go and publish our connect. So before that, I just name this as lead segmentation demo. So I'll click on publish. Yes, our connects is published successfully. So now, so this is how our connects looks like. It's look very big. So now let's go to our page and make it click on order. So let me go and click on order. So before that, what I do is I will just make an refund first. So I'll just show you an order refund. So then I will make a purchase. So which order I will be taking? So I'll be taking, as you can see, a bot Rocky one. So this particular order, yes, I'm going to edit this order and make it as a refunded and click on publish. So one refunded order is done. So now let's go to our product and make a test purchase. So let me do a test purchase, just use as something. Okay, I just need to use my own email ID. So because I need to check and receive that particular email ID, and click on order now. Yes, my order is done. So as per our connects, so our connects look like this, so which will be very big. So any request on Connexit webhook from Studio Card, so what it actually does is, so it will receive the data first and then it will segment the records. So you can see this is how our connects look like. So basically it segments data, and it will transfer to a different Google Sheet, and also it sends an email. So similarly it check for other conditions and it actually sends another email. So now let's go to our Google Sheet first. So yes, we received our sale. So this is a sale happened, guys. So you can see that. So this is a sale which is happened. So this is a link. So let me check that link in my email. So I'll be doing that. And this is a refunded account. So you can see that bot Rocky, and this is an email, and this is the coupon code. So and this is an image. So this is an image which looks like this. So it's so helpful to see you go bot Rocky. Here is, we are offering 20% discount with the coupon code. And similarly we will be receiving an email also. So you can see that, so there is an email which is being received. So I just click on display image. So you can see that, so it is saying, hey John Smith, and thanks for choosing Connexit, which is subject line, and it says that, like, it also send me an image. So this is how you can actually generate these particular links. So basically with Connexit, so you can actually able to send a customized response to your user based on lead segmentation, and also nurture your leads by scoring it. So hope you guys like this conditions app and inside Connexit and all the AppSumo apps being used. And also instead of Google Sheet, you can even either use any of kind of an what we call as an email automation tools or a CRM. So I just for a reference purpose I use Google Sheet, and again for notification you can use any other apps like SMTP for sending through your domain, or even you can use any other applications like kind of a 360 dialogue for sending a WhatsApp message, or even you can send a text message too. So this is how you can connect between the two different apps. So hope you guys like these integrations. If you have any questions on this particular integration, do drop us on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.